Okay.
Means you said that you will send, no sir.
Good. Now see, listen carefully. See carefully. This is a very important question. Find all positive. Only small logic is required here for each and every question. Okay. Find all positive integers n for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. How? So means what here for all positive integers means n can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. But in this case, iterable method is possible. Put x is n is equal to 1, it's a perfect square or not. N is equal to, checking is not possible. Clear? Now, n square plus 96 is a perfect square means what is the output? It should be it is in the form of k square. Am I correct? It is m square, k square like that. Is it okay or not? Suppose k is a positive integer. Okay. So is that, how is that? N square plus 96 is equal to what? No? This number should be a perfect square, k square. So that means what here? K square minus n square is how much? Anyone? 96.
Sir, k square or root k, sir?
Or a perfect square here. See carefully. What is the question? Perfect square means give you example. 1, 6,
4.
9, 4, 25. That's what I'm saying now.
So it means like 4 square must be 16 or root 4 must be a non-decimal value.
Okay, perfect square means here, don't take 2, 3, 4. Perfect square means what here? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that.
Okay, sir.
From this case, what you're observing, 96 means k square minus 9 square. A square minus b square. What is the formula? K minus n.
K minus n into k plus
n. K plus n.
K plus n.
What you're observing, k must be greater than n. From this case, observing or not? Okay. So since
yes,
clearly from this case, k minus n should be less than k plus n. Is it or not? See, difference of these two numbers is must be less than difference of these numbers. Okay. But right answer is what here? Even number. Remember what here? Right answer is what? Even numbers. And k minus n and k plus n, what must be? What is the case?
Sir, k is equal to 10, n is equal to 2.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. N is equal to correct. Okay. Anything else? Good. Anything else? Correct. So both are even numbers. This one. Both must be even numbers or both must be odd numbers. Why? But you see, dear students, both are must be even number means even number to even number is how much? 96. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right answer is 96 means what here both are should be even numbers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, but if it is odd number, suppose odd number into odd number is how much? Gives odd number. So this case is not possible. Why? Odd number into odd number is how much? Product is what? Odd number. So odd number is not possible. So both are must be
Even
cases. Okay. Now let us see what the result is coming. Okay. Suppose list number 96 means how to write anyone? This 96 I can write 2 into 48. Still, tell me 4 into what? 24. Next, 6 into 16. 8 into 12. 10 not bad. Next number is what? 12. Again, already repeat 12. So what I'm doing here, least number. M k minus n must be least number means what here? Suppose k minus n is 2, dear students. Then k plus n is how much? 48. Okay. K minus n is 4. I'm talking about this case. Then k plus n is what? 24. K minus n is 6. Then k plus n is how much? 16. K minus 8 is there. Then k plus n is how much? 12. Fine. Now, suppose solving corresponding equations. How many equations are there? These are the corresponding equations. Solving these two equations. What the answer is coming? Anyone? Corresponding solutions are. How to solve, dear students? Add them. If k minus n is equal to 2, this is common. K plus n is how much? 48. Add them. K is how much? Anyone? 25. Then n is how much? Is it clear, all of you? If I'm adding
Yes, sir.
minus n, 2k is equal to 50. Then
Yes,
k is how much? 25. So put this value in any one of the cases. That means k is equal to 25. What about second case?
N equals
Anyone?
23.
K is how much? Adding means how much? 28. 28 means 14. N is how much? 14 minus 4, 10.
10.
Beautiful.
And
K is how much? 22. That means 11. 11 minus 6.
5.
Beautiful. K is equal to 20 means 10. N is how much? 20. So these are the possible cases. N is what? 2, 5, 10, 23. Only these numbers are possible. Sir, how do you know these are
Okay, sir.
possible or not? Put n is equal to 2 square is how much?
4.
4 plus 96.
100.
So this can be written as 10 square. It's a perfect square.
Yes, sir.
Take 5. 25. Add them. 25 is how much?
120.
Take it. Yes. Like that. But Nicola told n is equal to okay, but ETL method is not possible for any cases. Okay, no? It is okay, n is equal to 5 like that, but n is equal to 10, 23 out of 5. It will take some time, no? Putting n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 is not possible every time. So procedure
Yes,
is
sir.
very, very important. Write down. Logical thinking is required. Shall I proceed?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see the logic. Write down. A 4-digit number has the following properties. conditions. What are the conditions? See, it is a perfect square. Just to ask, I perfect square means what? K square. It is in the form of a square, like that. B. Its first two digits are equal to each other. C. One more condition. Its last two digits are equal to each other. Okay. Find all such 4-digit numbers. Question is look like lengthy, but answer is simple. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Don't apply this one. Only logic is what the logic is required. Find out. Ready? I'll tell you. What the logic is, sir? How to choose the number? First of all, that is a task. A 4-digit number has the following properties. Okay. How is that? It is a perfect square. Okay. What is the second case? Its first two digits are equal. And last two digits are equal. Okay. So how many distinct digits are there in these 4-digit numbers? Anyone? In these 4-digit numbers, we are using how many digits?
4 digits, sir.
Give one example. Try to one example. Anyone?
1122.
Yes, 1122. That means we need only 2 digits. In this case, 2 digits are repeated. Okay, no? Side told 1122. Okay, fine. It is the perfect square. That means we have to choose 2 integers only, either 1 or 2, like that. Okay, now write down. Choose, for example, consider x, y, y is a perfect square. Anyone tell me x can be what here? Anyone tell me? Minimum 1. I can take 2, 3, up to what? 9.
9.
What about y? Anyone? Zero also possible. But for x, 0 is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But yeah, what you're observing, dear students, suppose 10 square is how much?
100.
100 square is how much?
10,000.
10,000. Beautiful. Then what you're observing clearly, x, y, y must be, what is that? It is a square of,
Perfect square.
square of what? Only 2-digit number. Why? If you are taking the see square of 3-digit number, we are getting how many digits? 5. See, 100 square means how much here? How many digits you are getting? 5 digits.
Yes, sir.
That means answer should be 10 square is also not possible. Observing or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means what here? Minimum 30 square to maximum 99 square. You have to take. Getting my point here?
Yes, sir.
So answer should be, it is the square of 2-digit number only. Is clear? Now, if you are
Yes, sir.
observing x, y, y should be is clearly multiples of 11. Idea is there. What is the test divisible to rule for 11? I'll tell you a rough example. See, for example, suppose any number a, b, c, d. For example, okay, this is the first digits. B plus d, a plus c. Okay, This sum always difference of these two numbers has to be either 0 or 11 only. Suppose if you are getting this number is always multiples of 11 only. I'm giving one example. See, 121. 1 plus 1 minus 2. What is the answer? 0. So take like that 4-digit number, anyone? Suppose take any 4-digit number. Say for 121 to 16 is how much? First best example directly. 121 to 16 is how much? I'm taking calculator, verify. 1936. Am I correct? Now see. First place, remove second place. Okay, no? First 2 digits, 100 the digit like that. Okay. These are what here? Odd places. These are what? Even places. See carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sum of the digits in the even places minus sum of the digits in odd places is equal to 0 or multiples of 11. Definitely can get. Now see 1936 how much? What are the odd places? 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. What are the even places? 3 plus 1 how much? 4. So 15 minus 4 is how much? 11 is coming. That means 1936 must be the multiple of 11. That's why. So here also take it. X plus y minus x plus y 0 is coming. Test divisibility rule. I will give. Okay. Test divisibility rule. Check it. Like that is a rule. How do you know this number is divisible by 11 or not? Means sum of the digits in even places minus sum of the digits in odd places must be 0 or multiples of 11. Then only we can say that it is divisible by 11. We can say that like that. Now this number must be multiples of 11. Then what you are observing? That means it is a perfect square. Okay, now writing see. Take any one example, multiples of take any one number, we can verify. Anyone? Sai? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Choose any one number, okay? How to verify? Suppose 7122, whether it is divisible by 11 or not, check it. Any number. Now, our concept is what here? It should be a perfect square. Means what here? What is the meaning here?
Root of xxyy must be equal to a 2-digit number.
Yes, xxyy must be multiple of 11 square. Because perfect square means what? This one also should be 11 square. So the number must be what is that is. What the case? It must be, it is in the form. It must be, what the case, anyone? 121 into 1 or 121 into 1 is a perfect square. Next what here? 4. 121 into what? 9. 121 into what? 16. 121 into what? 25. So and so on like this only. 121 into 36. 121 into 49. 121 into 64. So all like that you can verify up to 81. After that, what you're crossing 4-digit numbers. Okay. But among these cases, see carefully, if you after verifying this one, I'm getting 121 into 64 is what the answer is coming 7744. Rest of the cases not possible. What are the conditions? Say first 2 digits must be what? Equal. Okay.
equal, and
Level
last
7.
two digits must be
Last two digits are what? Equal. Okay.
Yeah.
And how is that? It's a perfect square. 11 square into 8. That means 88 square answer. Okay. So required number is, what is that? 7,744. That is the answer. Now I'm giving one question. Suppose Sai, 2178, is it divisible by 11 or not? How do you know? First write the number positions 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the test divisibility rule for 11? Sum of the even places, how much? 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 7 minus sum of the odd
8.
positions, 1 plus 8. How much? 9 minus
0.
9, 0. That means it should be a divisible by 11.
Okay.
Check, check it after that. Definitely. So this formula is applicable for 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, any number. Check it. Take it 6 digit number also.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you are getting freedom, verify.
Sir, here, how did you say that XXYY is divisible by 11?
That's why I'm saying this is a 4 digit number, but actually both are same. See, what is the position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good question. Now see, tell me what are the sum of the digits in even places?
X plus Y minus X plus Y.
That is the answer.
So means
Tell me, it must be divided by 11. It is
okay, sir.
this number must be multiples of 11.
Okay, sir.
Good question. Concept is what here? Dear positions only. Sum of the even places, sum of the digits in even places minus sum of the
Some of the digits in odd
places.
odd places.
Find the difference.
Okay.
The-
Yes, sir.
The difference means biggest number minus smallest number. You don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can verify that one for sure. What is the test divisibility for 8? What do you mean 2? Write down. I will give.
Divisible by 2, sir.
I'll tell you. I will give you write down properties. All the properties write down. I think.
The last two digits should be divisible by 8.
No. Write down. I'll give you write down immediately. Please write down. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down. Divisibility rules. Once again repeating.
So the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8.
Divisibility rule. Okay, divisibility rules write down. Write down. A positive integer n is divisible by, correct. Once again we can revise, no problem. Okay, 1. Divisible by 2 means what is the condition? Anyone? Last digits means what? That should be unit digit. Okay. Unit digit must be what or not? It should be even number.
Multiple of 2.
No, even number only, not multiple of 2. Last digit here. So 240, 246, 730, 12. So unit digit means this one. Unit digit must be even number. 2. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Divisible by 3 means what the condition?
The sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3.
Good. Sum of all the digits.
Yes.
Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, verify. I'm not giving, if anybody need examples. 3. 4, what is the condition? 4 means?
The last two digits should be divisible by
digit
4.
Yes.
should be
Yeah,
multiple of
the number formed by, the number formed by the last 2 digits from right, okay, better, from right is divisible by 4. Or what about 5? Anyone? Last digit is,
Either 0 or 5.
beautiful, either 0 or 5, that's all.
5.
Okay. What about 6?
It should be divisible by 2 and 3.
Beautiful. Divisible by 2 and 3, not, okay, no, not R3.
2 and 3.
Okay. 8.
The last
Last
three digits
three
should be
digits
divisible
Last-
must
by
be
8.
Yeah,
divisible
last
by
3 digits is divisible by 8. Like property number 4C, 3. Formed by last 2 digits from the right
last
side.
2 digits.
Like that. 9. What is the meaning 9?
The sum of all the digits should be
Some of the
divisible by
digits should
9.
be divisible
Sum of
by
all the
9.
digits divisible by 9.
Sir, property for 4 from right side means the first 2 digits, sir.
See, I'm writing one example. 712. From right side means what, like this, no?
Means 7 and 1 should be divisible by 4.
No, 1, 2, 1, 2, last 2 digits. What is the first digit? 7, second 1, last one is the 2.
You said from right side, sir.
Right means what? Yes, from your side.
From right side, last 2 digits will be 7 and 1, sir.
Last 2 digits from right side means for last 2 digits here. Okay. Babu, last 2 digits means this one only.
From left side.
Okay. Better. No, okay.
Yes, sir.
Mohan Bhatt. Now, next 10th one is not required. Okay. What about 25?
Last two digits should be divisible by 25.
Good. After watching. Next. 11. 11. Right on. The difference between sum of the digits
3 digits of even places and odd places must be
in odd places, okay, and sum of the digits in even places is what? Anyone?
0.
Either, no, multiples of 11. 0 also multiple of 11, no? Simply.
Yes, sir.
So you should remember these cases, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So I will give an example. Right. What is the time? I forgot. Yeah. Enough for this class, dear students. Tomorrow also discuss. Don't miss the class. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.